read the book to Daddy.
Hey, what's that?
He's got a little bit of dirt on his face. Can you read the story?
There. It's all Puppy little puppy see a pumpkin and see worms in the pumpkin. But he see kitties. He see crickets. And they see frogs and turtles. And they see frogs and flowers and bees. And frogs and snails. Then they see bugs and fireflies and pumpkins and birds and kitties and turtles and pumpkin and snails and flies and bugs and strawberries and bees and frogs. The end.
You read it all by yourself. I am so proud of you.